The hippos are tolerant of their reptilian neighbors, and even curious. But while both species need access to the drying river, it's primarily the hippo's home. Water and mud protect their skin from the merciless rays of the sun. Crocodiles have evolved a different strategy for avoiding the oppressive heat. They make shelters in the riverbanks, custom-made croc caves where a sun-dried reptile can keep cool. And as prime real estate, they're well defended. The caves are deceptive from the outside and can be up to 10 meters deep. Some can house scores of crocodiles. It's the largest predator known to build such shelters.